Tim with Alien Gear Holsters, and this is the Conceal Corner, where we talk about guns and gear for concealed carry. Today, I'm going to give you my tips for concealed carrying in the summer. The temperature is starting to go up, so it's a good time to go over how to make concealed carry in the summer a little bit more comfortable. What some people do is get a smaller gun to carry in warmer weather. A smaller gun in a smaller holster takes up less space inside the waistband. Not only does that mean a little less space is being taken up, it also means easier concealment. And I don't know about you, but I don't like to wear extra layers when it gets hot. However, not everyone has a smaller gun for concealed carry, and not everyone wants a smaller gun. So here are your other options. Your clothing. Don't wear tight-fit shirts if you want to conceal a proper-sized handgun. If you're a bigger guy and that standard shirt has become tight-fit, that might mean that you need to go with a more loose shirt. With an untucked shirt, concealed carry can still be fairly easy. For even more concealment, choose a shirt with a print. Stripes, plaid, anything that can detract attention. Be sure to test your stretch while you're at it too. If it's important to you that you don't show off your gun when you reach on that top shelf, give this a test in the mirror. And if it's a problem, try a shirt in a tall size for a few extra inches of fabric at the hem. If you're able to, switching to shorts instead of pants won't compromise your concealment so long as you can still wear a belt. If you're wearing board shorts, that's a different matter. But since most shorts have belt loops, it won't be a barrier to wearing inside the waistband. Summer is also when holster selection is critical. The right kind of concealed carry holster can make carrying in summer weather bearable. The wrong type could have you sweating. One of the first things to look for is to make sure that you've picked a holster that you can wear against your skin. If you don't want to wear an undershirt, this will be very helpful. But you know, most of the holster doesn't actually sit against your skin if it's inside the waistband. All of the holster that sits below the waistband actually sits on top of your drawers. Some sort of cushioning layer like neoprene is very helpful, but it's best to use a holster with sweat wicking material so you can stay cool with the holster next to your skin and not get all sweaty. The inside the waistband holster that we make at Alien Gear Holsters uses a material that we call cool vent neoprene specifically for this purpose. It's closed cell and waterproof and contains breathable holes to reduce heat, and it's even padded for extra comfort. In a t-shirt, some holsters do conceal better than others. The kind of holster that you carry and the location that you carry it makes all the difference. My favorite location to carry for easy concealment is at 4:30. For smaller guys like me, or at 3 o'clock for larger guys with a large flat spot on their body. The way that your belt holds on your hips and the way that your shirt gives you more space along your back offers the most concealable location. If you know of any more tips for carrying in the summer, let us know in the comments. You can also see more concealed carry tips at aliengearholsters.com, and we have a blog about carrying in the summer there that you can check out. Thanks for watching.